Hey everyone, Daniel Rubino here with Windows Central. We're at IFA 2018, and this is the Swift 5. It's going to be a brand new laptop coming out later this year. 15-inch, one of the world's lightest laptops, at least for a 15-inch model, and it really is kind of ridiculously light. It is less than 1 kilogram, and it weighs, so it's about 2.2 pounds for us American folks. Very powerful laptop too. It's a full HD display. It is actually a touch display too, which is really nice. Just full HD though, so not a super high resolution, but you do get supposedly good battery life. It's an 8th gen Intel Core processor. We do get a precision touchpad here, so very happy about that. Nice full-size keyboard. It is backlit. It's a little hard to see in the lights. It's not the best backlighting, but technically there. Fingerprint reader as well for Windows Hello. Coming around to the sides, we have a full assortment of ports here, so they didn't really skimp out on ports. I'm really happy about this. We have full HDMI, 2 USB 3.0s, and a USB Type-C. Probably going to be Thunderbolt 3, but we have to verify that. Coming around to the right-hand side, you do get a full SD card slot, becoming increasingly rare. Also a headphone jack and a couple other ports and a Kensington lock there as well. Overall, really nice design, but the secret to this device, of course, is going to be super thin, super light. You get really nice thin bezels here, but they also manage to keep that web camera on top, which is always appreciated. And you don't much have a chin here as well, so overall, a really cool design. We'll have more on this device in the coming weeks, so make sure you pay attention. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.